Counting days since my lover been gone lost on me. And every breath that I've been taking since you left feels like a waste on me. I've been holding on to hope that you come back when you can find some peace. 'Cause every word that I've heard spoken since you left feels like a hollow street. I've been told to get you off my mind, but I hope I never lose your bruises that you left behind. Oh my Lord, I need you by my side. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day it's getting colder. And if only I can hold you, you keep my head from going under. Maybe I'm just being blinded by the brighter side. What we had, 'cause it's over. Well, there must be something in the tide. I've been told to get you off my mind, but I hope I never lose your bruises that you left behind. Oh my Lord, I need you by my side. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day is getting colder. And if only I can hold you, you keep my head from going under. Your love I'm lost in, your love I'm lost in, your love I'm lost in. I'm tired of being so exhausted. Your love I'm lost in, your love I'm lost in, your love I'm lost in. Even though I'm nothing to you now, even though I'm nothing to you now, there must be something in the water, 'cause every day is getting colder. And if only I could hold you, you keep my head from going under. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day is getting colder. And if only I could hold you, you keep my head from going under.
Hey, well done, Rosie. Well done, girl. Louise, what did you think?
Rosie, that was by far your best vocal of the competition so far. You really should be proud of how far you have come in this competition. And like I said to you in the week, if you went back and watched your first audition and then watched this performance, it's like a different person singing. The improvement is so vast. And you should be so proud of how far you have come in this competition. It still wasn't quite perfect, you know, but we're working on that through the week and in your lessons. You know, we're working on strengthening the bits that are weaker for you. But you know, your control is a lot better. You're much more on pitch. You know, there wasn't, might have been like one or two odd little bits that were slightly pitchy but hardly noticeable. So yeah, all around, I think you should be really proud of how far you've come, and a big well done for this performance. Your best one so far. Well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, that was such a lovely vocal from you. It really was a lovely stripped back performance. I think it was the most controlled that I've seen you. And you know, your lower register is just really, it's just lush, you know, when you're down there in your lower register. That is, I just think that's one of your strengths and something that you should continue to work on. But the song suited you so well. It's just a really, really lovely vocal and a lovely performance. Well done, lovely.
Rosie, yeah, I think you excelled in yourself this season on this performance. Everything I've seen, I think, doesn't come close to this. And that really goes to show, you know, in all fairness, Louise, you've been working with her for the last couple of weeks, how much she's developing from working with you, because I wasn't expecting you to be able to control her like that and for her to be calm on the camera. I wasn't expecting it. I was expecting you to be out of control again, but you weren't. Far from it. And that made a huge difference to how your voice was coming out, I feel. It made a huge difference to how you came across in front of us. You looked relaxed. You looked calm. You looked like you put all of that passion into the vocals, because I felt like the vocals were stronger. Everything in this performance was a clear mile step up from anything I've seen of you so far. Even how you dressed, like everything about you, you look like a star there. The background, the visual takes and all of this, and the vocals, everything was a huge step up. You should be really, really proud of yourself, because the work that you've been putting in, obviously in lessons and that, over the last couple of weeks, is doing something. This is doing something, and I'm just surprised to see how quick I've seen you develop. But this was like 100% your best performance so far this season, so well done.